Want to know why most people never get rich? Warren Buffett spills the truth. From patience to smart investing, these 10 reasons might be holding you back. Don't miss out. Unlock the secrets to building real wealth today. 10 reasons most people will never get rich, according to Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, often hailed as the Oracle of Omaha, is a living testament to the power of disciplined investing and sound financial principles. With a net worth exceeding $161 billion, Buffett's journey from modest beginnings to becoming one of the wealthiest individuals in the world offers invaluable lessons. Yet, he believes that the path to wealth is simple, though few have the patience and discipline to follow it. Here are the 10 reasons Buffett says most people will never achieve true wealth, and how you can avoid these pitfalls. 1. They lack the patience for long-term investing. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Buffett's success wasn't built on quick trades or market timing. His strategy? Buy and hold for decades. Take his investment in Coca-Cola, purchased in 1988 and still held today. This patience allows compounding to work its magic, turning modest gains into fortunes over time. Most investors, however, check stock prices daily, trade excessively, and panic sell during downturns. The result? They miss out on the exponential growth that comes from staying invested. Example: if you had invested $10,000 in the S&P 500 in 1980, it would be worth over $700,000 today. But most people don't wait. They trade, lose, and wonder why they're not rich. 2. They consistently live beyond their means. If you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you need. Buffett, despite his wealth, lives frugally. He still resides in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500 and drives modest cars. His secret? Spend less than you earn and invest the difference. Most people, however, fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, upgrading cars, homes, and gadgets with every raise. Without savings, wealth building becomes impossible. Example: saving just 20% of a $50,000 salary annually and investing it at a 7% return grows to over $1 million in 30 years. But most save less than 5%, or nothing at all. 3. They wait too long to start investing. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Buffett bought his first stock at age 11. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work. A person who invests $5,000 annually from age 25 to 35 can outpace someone who starts at 35 and invests the same amount until 65. Yet, many delay investing until their 30s or 40s, losing decades of growth. Example: starting at 25 versus 35 could mean a difference of hundreds of thousands, or even millions, by retirement. 4. They follow the investment crowd instead of being contrarian. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. In 2008, while others panicked, Buffett invested $5 billion in Goldman Sachs, a bet that paid off handsomely. Most investors, however, buy high during bubbles and sell low during crashes, guaranteeing poor returns. Example: during the dot-com bubble, Buffett avoided overpriced tech stocks. Those who followed the crowd lost fortunes when the bubble burst. 5. They make emotional financial decisions. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. Buffett's decisions are rooted in logic, not emotion. He sees market dips as opportunities, not threats. Most investors, though, let fear and greed drive their choices, selling in panic or buying into hype. Example: in 2020, many sold stocks during the COVID crash, missing the subsequent recovery. Buffett held firm. 6. They don't invest in developing their skills. First, the best investment you can make is in your abilities. Buffett spends 80% of his day reading. He never stops learning. Most people, however, stop growing after formal education, limiting their earning potential. Example: learning a high-income skill like coding or sales can multiply your income and your investment capital. 7. They focus on price instead of understanding value. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. Buffett buys businesses when their intrinsic value exceeds their price. Most investors chase cheap stocks without understanding the business. Example: a $50 stock may be a bargain if the company is worth $100 per share, but most don't do the math. 8. They overcomplicate their investment strategy. There seems to be some perverse human characteristic that likes to make easy things difficult. Buffett keeps it simple. Invest in what you understand. Most people chase complex schemes, losing money in the process. Example: Buffett recommends low-cost index funds for most investors, yet many ignore this for flashy, risky bets. 9. They lack the discipline to stick with their plan. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. Buffett's strategy hasn't changed in decades. Most investors flip-flop, chasing trends and abandoning plans. Example: switching strategies during a downturn often locks in losses. Buffett stays the course. 10. They ignore business fundamentals for short-term market fads. Only buy something that you'd be pleased to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. Buffett invests as if he's buying the entire business, not just a stock. Most focus on short-term price movements, not long-term value. Example: during the crypto boom, many ignored fundamentals. Buffett avoided it entirely. Conclusion: Buffett's principles aren't secrets. They're simple, timeless, and proven. Yet most people lack the patience, discipline, and emotional control to follow them. By avoiding these 10 pitfalls, you can adopt the mindset of one of history's greatest investors and build lasting wealth. The path to wealth isn't a secret. It's a test of character. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and set the bell icon to all for notifications. Feel free to leave a respectful comment. Vulgar or inappropriate comments will be blocked. See you in the next video.